Now start chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. We first explain the introduction of the chapters. What is the pair of linear equation in two variables? Two linear equations in the same two variables are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. The general form of linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is a pair of linear equations in two variables where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. In this chapter, I will discuss the solution of a pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations in two variables can be represented and solved by the following two methods. First method is graphical method. Second is algebraic method. I will discuss first method, graphical method. In this method, the graph of a pair of linear equation in two variables is represented by two lines. Following three possibilities can occur. First possibility is if a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. That means the ratio of coefficient of x variables should be not equal to the coefficient of variable y. Then the lines are intersecting lines and intersect at only one point. Then that point gives the unique solution. In this case, the pair of linear equation inconsistent. System is also called consistent. That is, in the graph, it is represented two lines. It is intersected only one point. That is called unique solution. Second case, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then two lines will not intersected, that is, they are parallel. The pair of linear equations will have no solution and equations is inconsistent. Third case is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. The graph of these conditions of both equations will be a pair of coincident lines. That means they are overlap. The pair of linear equations will have infinitely many solutions and is consistent because both lines are intersected more than one points. Now I will explain exercise 3.1. The first question of this exercise is Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Solution of these questions is, let the represent age of Aftab be x year and the present age of his daughter is y years. Now 7 years ago, that means 7 subtracted in Aftab age and his daughter age both, that is x minus 7 and y minus 7. Then the conditions, Aftab was 7 times of his daughter. Therefore, x minus 7 equal to 7 into y minus 7. X minus 7 equal to 7y minus 49. 7y taking this side, x minus 7y, and minus 49 also taking this side, plus 49. Therefore, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. It is the first equation. And the second condition, after 3 years, Aftab age will be 3 times of his daughter age. Therefore x plus 3 equal to 3 into y plus 3. Now x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 3 3 is 9. Therefore x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9. X minus 3, 3 minus 9 equal to minus 6. Hence x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. It is the second equation. It is a algebraically form of this situation. Now I will discuss graphical representation of these situations. From equation first, x minus 7y plus 42, taking minus 7y in this side, and x 42 taking right hand side. 7y equal to taking minus, then x plus 42, minus minus is cancelled, then 7y equal to x plus 42. Y equal to x plus 42 is divided by 7. Now find the 2 points of this equation satisfy the value of x taking 0, then 0 plus 42 divided by 7, 7 6 is 42, y equal to 6, and take x equal to 7, then 7 plus 42 is 49 upon 7, 7 7 is 49. It is the 2 points of these equations, 0, 6 and 7, 7. Similarly, from equations second, x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, minus 3y equal to minus 6 plus 6, taking minus common, x minus 6 minus minus cancel, then y equal to x minus 6 upon 3. Now similarly taking 2 points, x equal to 6, then y equal to 0, and taking x equal to 0, then y equal to minus 2. In both tables represented on the graph paper, draw a graph. Now I will explain the graph. We first draw the x-axis and y-axis. Mark the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on the x-axis. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on the y-axis. First point is 0, 6. That means 0, 6. Plot the point 0, 6 and second point 7, 7. Draw a line through the both points. The graph of the line is represented this equation x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Similarly, plot the point 0, minus 2 and 6, 0. Meet both points and through a line draw the graph. Both equations graph are not parallel. If two lines are not parallel, then will be intersected lines in further away. With this point is meet. In this figure we observe that two lines intersected at the point, any point. So the intersecting point is called solution of these equations in graphically.